Okay, so today I'm coming to you guys to show y'all a DIY that I'm going to be doing for my jewelry boxes, for my boutique. I have a skincare brand launching on August 21st, and I also have another business that I'm going to be launching as well. Some of it consists of, I'm gonna have some accessories on the website as well, and I wanted to customize my own boxes. I got my boxes from Dollar Tree. Y'all don't have to spend too much money. I'm gonna show y'all how to customize it from beginning to end. You get 3 boxes in here for $1, and I got 12 of these things, but I'm only showing you guys half of them right now. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be using today. So as far as customizing it, I just had this leftover spray paint from a project that I did with my vanity lights. I spray painted those this rustic pink color, and I get this from Walmart. And I did want to show you guys that it does come with some stuffing on the inside. Okay, so I have everything laid out right now, and basically what I'm going to do is literally just spray paint them with this rustic pink color. I'm going to let them dry, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to showing y'all how I print out the stickers. So here we go. Okay, so I'm filming with one hand and spray painting with the other, so bear with me. But I love the texture of this box because it's kind of like a faux alligator or crocodile type pattern. And you want to do light because it drips down the side. Like this piece dries and then it'll be hard to get up, so just spot. Do a thin layer at first. Don't even really focus on trying to cover it all. But I'm not gonna lie, these already look amazing. You just want to do this gradually. And make sure you're outdoors and make sure you wear a mask. That is beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. Okay, so yeah, we can actually just lightly pop some of it real quick again, let it dry. But do it lightly and make sure you have some distance, some space in between you spraying. Make sure your bag don't do that, because it will get stuck on the piece. Okay, so y'all, these look amazing. Who would have thought, first of all, that these plain white Dollar Tree boxes can look this amazing? Like, no lie. I'm loving it already, and I kind of want to leave them plain pink, but I do have to mark my brand. You guys got to be careful for this. But I do want to put my brand on here, so I will be doing that too. Okay, so to avoid this plastic sticking just that quick, within a couple minutes, these are dry to touch. So I'm going to move them because this is what I was telling you guys. Like, it'll get streaky. Okay, so we're going to move on to the sticker portion, and you're going to bounce between Avery and Canva. So first thing you want to do is go to this top right corner, hit create a design. You want to type in sticker. You're going to get several sticker options. I'm just using a basic circle sticker. And once everything pops up, I'm just going to be showing you guys that you can go through the different templates that they have. You can go to the photos that you uploaded, which are your personal uploads. You can go through elements. You can go through to background. Background is typically what I use because it's just easier. So what I'm doing now is just picking a logo, picking a background that's going to look good on top behind my logo. And it's super simple. I use Canva for everything, you guys. So I'm just showing you guys the text. I'm playing around with the text right here. I delete elements if I want to use just one piece of the little chunk of text that you guys just saw. So I'm basically, you know, just bringing my vision to life for Yummy Girl on digitally, if that's a better way to say it. So I love Canva. The fonts are bomb. I use it for flyers. I use it for Instagram posts, IG stories. I literally use Canva for everything, and I really recommend that you guys start using Canva. Yeah, it took me a minute to spell accessories. But anyways, yes, this is the stickers that I use. I went to Office Depot. You can get them for about $7-8 at Walmart. But I went to Home Depot, and it basically, they had, not Home Depot, I'm lying, Office Depot, and they had them for like $12.99, buy one get one free, or buy one get one half. So I just grabbed some out of there. But anyways, this is basically what you want to do. I'm just tilting the font, changing the font, making it look more appealing to the eye, making it pop. That's basically what you want to do, is make this pop. But like I said, do not use a transparent sticker unless you have a transparent item or a box. But the yellow did not show up as much on my sticker because it was transparent. So now what you want to do is make sure that you change it from PDF to PNG, because that gives you the highest resolution. And after this downloads, it's really quick. I'm going to go to Avery.com. This is where I get all my labels from. I'm going to type in the item number because it pops right up. 22825 is the circles that I use, circle stickers that I use. You'll see a template of it. That's how you know you have the right thing. I go to the top left and I hit upload a complete design because we already completed it. This is another design that I did that I'm going to show you guys. That one, I just changed the background, but this is the one that I'm most happy with. And once it uploads, all you're going to do is save it. And what do you do next? I forgot. Oh yeah, print it yourself. Want to hit print all and hit get PDF to print, and it's going to print a PDF file. You're going to save the work that you have already done, just so you won't have to redo it. You can just keep going back and easily printing out your stickers. Okay, so as y'all can see, I just went ahead and printed them off, and my printer is down here. And then I'm going to show you guys how I apply this to the actual box. And I'm going to print off, I have 36 jewelry boxes, so I'm going to print off 3, 6, 9, 12, 2 more pages. So this is the printer that I have, and it's under my table, so excuse the positioning or whatever, but I'm just going to get under here, show y'all that all you do is put your paper in the back. Gotta lift this up first. Put this down in there. Close it. On this says copies. I'm gonna do 2. And we are going to hit print. Okay, so this is what the boxes actually turned out to look like. Okay, so I did the same exact method with these boxes.